Hey guys, welcome to another video. The Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus have officially been unveiled. The new smartphones will take on the likes of Apple's iPhone X and Google's Pixel 2, which came out late last year. Samsung has decided against making any huge design changes, but the camera improvements, fingerprint sensor tweak and new range of color options that have been introduced could still tempt S8 and S8 Plus users to upgrade. Here's everything you need to know about the Samsung Galaxy S9. The S9 and S9 Plus look almost identical to their predecessors, which isn't a bad thing. After all, the year-old S8 is still one of the most attractive handsets around. Just like the S8, the S9 features a curved 5.8-inch, 2960 by 1440 infinity screen, and like the S8 Plus, the S9 Plus is a 6.2-inch version, which is surrounded by barely their bezels. Because the S9's screen is smaller than the S9 Plus, it's slightly sharper too, with a pixel density of 570 ppi compared to 529 ppi. The S9 and S9 Plus are a touch shorter and thicker than the S8 and S8 Plus, but the differences are barely noticeable. Far bigger changes become apparent when you look at the S9's rear. The fingerprint sensor lies centrally, below the camera lens. On the S8, it sat far too close to the lens, which made it difficult to actually use. Its new position is far more sensible. The S9 Plus also has a dual camera setup. The S9 is available in three color options: midnight black, coral blue and lilac purple. A titanium gray model also exists. Samsung is definitely pushing the S9's camera as its biggest selling point. The phone features what the company calls a dual-aperture 12-megapixel sensor with optical image stabilization. It automatically switches between f1.5 and f2.4 aperture, in order to capture the best results in different and tricky light conditions. When it's dark, the sensor will let more light in, and when it's too bright, it will let less light in, to produce good-looking pictures wherever you are. It's a clever feature that sounds great on paper, but we'll find out how well it actually works when we get time to test the S9 out. The S9 Plus, meanwhile, has a slightly different setup. It features a wide-angle, dual-aperture 12-megapixel camera and a fixed f2.4 aperture 12-megapixel telephoto sensor, which combine to take clearer pictures with more depth. Both the S9 and S9 Plus can capture dramatic-looking super slow-mo videos, which you can then share as GIFs or set as your lock screen background. Both phones also feature an 8-megapixel front-facing camera. Our emoji are like Samsung's answer to the iPhone X's Emoji. The S9's can use a picture of your face to quickly create an emoji that's supposed to look like you. Through the camera and a database machine learning algorithm, that emoji will then copy your facial expressions, and you can share the animations with other people. The S9 is powered by a 3000 mAh battery, while the S9 Plus, with its larger, more demanding screen, uses a 3500 mAh battery. Both phones support fast charging via the USB Type-C port, and wireless charging too. They also run Android 8 Oreo and offer iris scanning and facial recognition technology, a headphone jack and IP68 water and dust resistance. The S9 features 64 GB of internal storage, expandable by up to 400 GB via the microSD card slot. The S9 Plus has 128 GB of internal storage, which is also expandable. The S9 costs $720, which is not cheap, but the S9 Plus costs a whopping $840. As last year, there will be trade-in deals available. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel to get last updates. Thank you for your time and thanks for watching this video. Take care and peace out.